Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2013 63 Reg Mini 1. Now, it's not your standard Mini 1, this has had over £5,000 worth of factory extras spent on it, so straight away it's finished in the stunning white silver metallic paintwork. It's personally my favourite colour on these Minis. I think it makes the car look absolutely fantastic, very nice and sleek. And then exterior wise, you've got the full John Cooper Works body kit. So this one isn't the John Cooper Works, but it's got the body kit on it, so you've got the nice economical running costs and the lovely sporty styling. So that gives you different front and rear bumpers, side skirts, different alloy wheels, just a more dynamic look all round. You've got a lot of bright silver detailing to the exterior of this car, so on your headlamp surrounds, on your front grille. But looking at this front bumper, it is in fantastic order. It's not riddled with stone chips. No signs of any dents or dings, no scratches, not that I can see at least. It is a lovely vehicle, this. Alloy wheels wise, it's riding on these fantastic untouched 17-inch alloys. They filled the arch gap very, very nicely. Multi-spokes, riding on lovely, lovely tyres. Following through, you've got colour-coded mirror caps, those more aggressive colour-coded side skirts. And as I said, looking down the side of the car, no dings or dents, no scratches, just a lovely vehicle. Rear privacy, rear park assistance even, sorry. Looking through to the boot, even though this is a convertible, you still get quite a bit of loading space. You've got the split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. But what a fantastic looking vehicle. Now, we had actually sold this vehicle previously to the previous keeper. A very good returning customer of ours. He's bought quite a few vehicles off us. But a lovely, lovely car. You can tell it's truly been cherished in their ownership. Looking through to the interior, half leather, half cloth, black sports seats. Never been smoked in, no signs of any rips, no tears, no discoloration. I mean, if you look at those bolsters, leather bolsters, they're in absolutely fantastic order. True credit to the previous keepers. Very, very nice car. Rear seats, I don't think they've ever been sat in. You've got Isofix in the bottom if you ever need more room. Onto the door cards, you've got a lot of gloss black detailing as well. Your electric mirrors, a full leather multifunction steering wheel with the John Cooper Works designation on there as well. Voice command, Bluetooth phone, all your volume controls for your media. You've got your cruise control there as well, so you can set all that. Automatic wipers and automatic lights, so the car basically does everything for you. As we're doing the video today, the car's only covered 50,241 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And then clicking through to menu, you've got your telephone, onboard computer, mini configurator, and then you've got a full DAB radio on this one as well. So all the extended channels, climate control with air conditioning, you've got all the mirror and window controls, sport mode, traction control. The previous keepers left these lovely Union Jack cup holder rubber mats in there as well. Aux USB. But overall, a lovely, lovely vehicle. I believe the car will be fully serviced by ourselves through our workshop before the customer takes collection. But overall, lovely vehicle, fantastic specification. I've driven the car myself, it drives absolutely spot on as you would expect. If you'd like any more information on this Mini 1, you can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. During Tier 4s and lockdowns, we are still open, so our showroom and forecourt are currently closed to the public, but we are open for click and collect. So if you'd like to get in touch, we can explain what that means and the procedures that go along with it. But thank you very much for watching and have a great day.